So like I said, I put this in this spinach basket. It's been some time, but these are growing much slower than I want them to be. Still a little bit of progress, only in the ginger. The turmeric, you can only see small bits and sprouts. So it has been a long time. They're not growing as fast as I want them to, but I'll just plant them in the ground anyway, even though they haven't had sprouted leaves yet. I don't think this one has a root yet. But still, I'm going to place it the same way. This looks like it's starting to grow upwards. I'm not going to place it too deep because I want the sun to be seen. So only about that deep, and try to expose this little green area. This one has a root. Look at that. This one has a root. That's why this one already has a leaf. Has at least an okay sized root so far. This one's already established, so you can plant this relatively deep. Still sort of leave the leaf part open. So I've planted the ginger here. You can see small pieces rising up from the soil because I didn't cover everything. And over here, I've planted turmeric. I just have 4. So 1, 2, 3, and I'll plant a 4th one over here. I'm planting pretty spaciously. That's not only because I have the space, but turmeric grows deep inside, so it needs more space. But ginger, you can plant a bit more farther away, because those grow horizontally. Turmeric plants grow deeply, so you can plant those closer, but I have the space anyway. So these are supposed to be planted about 2 inches deep. I'm not going to cover them too much because these haven't sprouted for a long time, and I don't want to cover too deep and risk them not growing. So I'll cover these and we'll see when they start to sprout. These ones I've kept in this pot over here. They didn't properly sprout for some reason, so I just decided to keep it in this pot outside. Still haven't really sprouted. You can see small sprouts here and there. I'll put this in the ground as well, so hopefully this grows too. I also wanted to show you guys this hibiscus pot. It's a pretty well established hibiscus. We've had this in the pot for I think 1 to 2 years now. We moved this outside last year too. It looked nice in our front patio, so I just want to show you guys that we moved this outside.